Welcome back to the WordPress Download Manager tutorials. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the Form Lock feature in WordPress Download Manager. Form Lock allows users to complete a form before they can download a file. Before we begin, make sure WordPress Download Manager and Form Lock add-on is installed and activated on your website. Now, let's get started. Open an existing package or create a new one. Inside the package settings, navigate to the Lock Options tab. From the available lock types, scroll down and select Form Lock. Once you select it, the Form Lock settings will appear. Here, you can choose which form you want to display before the download starts. In this example, you can see two available options, Live Forms and Contact Form 7, because both plugins are currently active on our website. For the best performance and seamless integration, we recommend using Live Forms, choosing the Form Lock from Live Forms. If you'd like users to receive the download link by email, simply enable the Email Download Link option. Once everything is configured, click Update or Publish to save your changes. Now, let's see the preview on the front end. Open the package download page and click the Download button. A Form Lock pop-up will appear, displaying the form you selected. Fill out and submit the form. Once the form is submitted successfully, the download button will become available, allowing the user to download the package. All submitted form data is stored in your Forms dashboard. In this tutorial, we're using Live Forms, so let's see how to access the submitted data. From your WordPress dashboard, click Forms, then select Form Entries. In the top right corner, you'll find the Select Form dropdown. Click on it and choose the form you used for the form lock. Once selected, all submitted entries for that form will be displayed here. And that's how you can collect and manage form submissions using Live Forms with the Form Lock feature in WordPress Download Manager. Thanks for watching.